Eye infection of birds and parrots. Solution and treatment. How to care for a sick parrot. Medications and treatment time. In this video we will cover all these points.
Eye pain can be due to a cold or contact of the bird's eye with dirty wood or contaminated objects, or due to an internal disorder and infection in the eye itself, and should not be ignored. Symptoms: eyelid damage, fluid discharge from the eye, eyelid stuck causes of disease, dusty airflow, room full of smoke such as cigarette smoke, germs and viruses. How to treat the disease: using eye drops and antibiotic ointments. Another method is to wash the bird's eye with boric acid, which is prepared for human eyes, then pour 10% Targirol solution into the eye. This solution must be fresh and safe. Another method: first, wash the bird's eye with a piece of sterile cotton dipped in boric acid, then apply special penicillin oil on the bird's eye. This should continue for several days. The use of tetracycline is an antiseptic ointment that is recommended. After 3 days, the bird finds its health. The number of times to apply the ointment depends on whether the bird's or canary's eyes are open or closed, which should be checked every few hours during the day, and if the bird's eyelids are closed, apply the ointment again. Important note: start the treatment every morning at sunrise and do not postpone it to another time so that the bird has enough vision to feed and gain energy. Wash and disinfect the bird's cage and seat until it recovers and repeat every day for a few days after that, and after the bird recovers, clean and sterilize it every week.